Welcome back to Yaqeen Institute's mini-series, Why Does God Ask People to Worship Him? In the previous video, we discussed how worshiping God can benefit people. Now we'll take a look at why we should worship God. First, if we understand that only God is worthy of worship and has granted us many blessings, then we recognize His greatness. And if we recognize His greatness, then we show this through acts of worship. Second, we believe that prayer, an act of worship, is dialogue between God and His servants. And through this dialogue, does God grant mercy and affection as a response to reaching out to Him. Lastly, we believe that worship is the perfect exam that tests our virtue and devotion. There you have it, the how and why of worship. Thank you for watching. Let's summarize what we've learned so far. Watch the next video to continue.